have Honor 8X and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by unlocking the screen right here. Here find and select settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Select reset and choose reset all settings. So this will reset all settings including all network settings, fingerprints, face data and lock screen password. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset all settings and confirm the operation by tapping reset all settings again. That's it, right now the device is restoring the default settings of the device. And that's it, now you can go back and start using your device with the default settings. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.